Let me show you how to remove the lock screen shortcuts on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro lock screen. So if you don't want any shortcuts on your lock screen, then you can remove them. And to do that, just long press on the lock screen. As long as the iPhone is unlocked or you scanned your face, you're going to see this, which is basically the lock screen editor. So tap on customize and then select lock screen, because this allows you to customize the wallpaper for both the lock screen and the home screen. So select lock screen. Under lock screen, you should see different things you can edit, including the lock screen shortcuts. So what you want to do to remove a shortcut is to tap on this minus icon at the top of every shortcut. So if I tap on that, that removes that shortcut. And if I want to remove this one as well, I just tap on it. And once I'm done, I just tap on done in the top right corner and then tap on the wallpaper. That takes me back to the lock screen. And as you can see, the lock screen now does not have any shortcuts. So that is basically how to remove lock screen shortcuts on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.